Hi everyone. At the end of the 2020 MotoGP series, we built a Softail FXDR in the look of the successful Petronas Racing Team and gave it some special features. CNC milled wheels with a new finish, a new hydraulic suspension system and elaborate welding work make our GT-2 a bike for winter types. The fact that the bug and tail of that Softail FXDR look like a single piece, even though there are many individual parts, is the result of countless hours of manual work. The front spoiler has 17 parts and the rear even 22 parts that have been welded, tinned and merged into one unit. We also developed the triple clamps especially for the 23 inches wheel with upside-down fork. For this new three-piece wheel design we had prototypes in the pipeline for a long time, but we reworked the final finish several times, until we achieved this filigree and three-dimensional design by a new arrangement of the contrast cut surfaces on the anodized surfaces in 4 planes. This material fits perfectly with the color concept in this special shade of green, with which we are leaning towards the successful Petronas Racing Team and where we will see the living MotoGP legend Valentino Rossi next year. Also our GT-2 does not have to hide itself with that great performance. The 117 QSE Stage 3 kit with Dawn performance mapping brings a lot of pressure. The single-sided swing arm with central locking, the 2 large 340mm brake discs, good spring elements and our new hydraulic suspension system Slemtail provide the necessary stable handling. Thanks for watching.